Animals live in different areas. Some animals are terrestrial, whereas some animals are aquatic. Terrestrial animals are those which live on land, and aquatic animals are those which live in water. Fish is a kind of animal which lives in water. Have you ever seen fish living on land? No. And have you seen tiger living in water? No. So tiger is an example of terrestrial animal and fish is an example of aquatic animals. The body structure of terrestrial animals and aquatic animals is different than each other. Fish has scales on their body, they have fins and they breathe with the help of their gills but not by their nose. These are the different ways of living of fish as compared to the terrestrial animals. Few animals which swim, for example like duck, a tortoise or a frog, these have their webbed toes. It makes them easy to swim in the water fast and speedy. So this is a kind of adaptation in them. Let's now know adaptation in forest and grassland animals. Carnivorous animals like the wild dog, fox, tiger and lion have strong legs to run fast and capture their prey. They have claws and their canine teeth are sharp and pointed. Do you know why these teeth are pointed? These teeth do the work of cutting their flesh. So that is why these teeth are made sharp. They have that ability to cut the flesh they get during hunting. The eyes of these animals are situated right in the front of their head, which makes them easy to find out their prey which is present at the long distance also. Tigers have padded legs, which makes them easy to run and catch their prey in the forest areas. Eyes of herbivorous animals are situated below their forehead, which gives them a wide angle and they are able to see the animals behind them which are far away from them. As these are herbivorous animals, they don't eat any other animal. The carnivorous animals eat other animal, the herbivorous animals eat only plants. So they have to protect themselves. So that is why their eyes are below their forehead, and once they see the hunter around themselves, they escape. Adaptation in desert animals. We all know that there is less amount of water in deserts. Animals living in desert areas are able to live and survive with the help of less water also. These animals have a hard and tough body skin. Their legs are long with flat and cushioned soles. Their thick skin helps themselves to protect to prevent water and locate it inside their body for longer period of time. Camel is one of the example of animals in desert regions. Rats, snakes, spiders, lizards in deserts live in deep burrows during daytime and are active at nights. Adaptation in animals of snowy region. These animals have a white or silver body color. Their hair is long and thick. This body texture helps them from the extreme snowfall in the snowy region. Polar bear, yaks, fox are some examples of animals in snowy region. Adaptation in aerial animals. Birds are aerial animals. Animals which are able to fly, like different types of birds, are the aerial animals. They have feathers for their body. Their body is spindle shaped. Also, their body is lightweight and hollow through inside. That is why it becomes them easy to fly. Their claws are very sharp, which helps them to catch their prey very easily. Adaptation in reptiles. Reptiles are the animals which crawl on the surface. Snakes, lizards, tortoise are few examples of reptiles. These animals have a very hard and tough skin. Their body has a shell-like structure on it. When these animals are in difficult situations, like turtles suddenly takes in their legs, their feet, and their head into the shell, into the body covering, and therefore they are saved. Adaptation for food in animals. These are the different animals which live on other animals, like snake. Snake eats frog, so that is different kind of adaptation. This is a kind of adaptation which depends on the feeding of a particular animal. Animals like frog, snake, birds, mosquitoes, butterflies, etc. Adaptation for blending with the surrounding. There are some different animals, different insects, for example, grasshopper. These are the animals which change their color according to the surrounding present around themselves. Lizards, butterflies, grasshoppers are the different camouflages. Camouflage means which are able to change their body color according to surrounding. There was a scientist whose name was Charles Darwin. He gave the theory of survival of the fittest, which says that there will be a change in the body when a living organism lives in a particular adaptation. This will happen after years. The theory he gave was survival of the fittest. Classification of living organisms. Living organisms are classified under two categories, plants and animals. These have different hierarchy like kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus and species. Every living organism has their biological name. The first part of the name is called the genus and the second part of the name is called its species. Binomial nomenclature is used to identify each organism. The theory of binomial nomenclature was given by scientist Carl Linnaeus. 29th April is observed as World Frogs Protection Day. Killing or harming frogs is prohibited by the Wildlife Protection Act.